Hello everybody and welcome to Tarot by Lavina. In our last video, we discussed about the 7 chakras and as I had said that we are going to discuss about the colors which are connected to the chakras. So let's see which colors are responsible for which chakra. Going on to our first chakra, that is the root chakra, which is just below the spine. This color is red and or black also. Now this chakra is connected with color red. So whenever you think of activating the chakra, even if you're not a healer, just imagine that the red color is being flown into that chakra and you eat a lot of red color of things, red color vegetables like beetroot and all. This can activate your root chakra and really make you grounded and grow in life. So once you're well grounded, you can grow very well. The next chakra is the navel chakra, which is orange in color. So when you imagine that orange color is being flown into that chakra gets activated. So orange is responsible for cleansing properties. So if you eat a lot of oranges, orange color things like carrots, oranges, your digestion improves. So orange is responsible for the navel chakra and it also helps to clear all the toxins and all that kachra which is there in the navel chakra, your reproduction problems, your constipation problems, your anything that is connected to the stomach, any acidity or stuff like that. Orange will help you to flush out every toxin from your body. Going on to the solar plexus, which is also the color yellow, and the yellow color is also the color of Guru. So this will also activate your money power. So once your solar plexus is activated with yellow color, so try imagining yellow color going into your solar plexus. It can release a lot of stress and also give you a lot of money. So yellow is the color for your solar plexus. Then we have the color green. It's the light green color which is responsible for the heart chakra. Now heart chakra has two colors. One is pink and one is yellow. So when you feel that you're deprived of love, start imagining that that green color or pink color is being infused into your heart and you'll automatically experience a lot of peace and tranquility. Going on to the throat chakra has the color blue. So whenever you're having any issues related to your throat, maybe cough, cold, or these nodes which are all affected during the cold and the sinus, and your pneumonia patch or anything related to your lungs, then just imagine that blue color is going into your throat, and blue color is the color for your throat chakra. Then this is the color indigo, which is connected with your third eye. So this is also responsible, as I told you, it's responsible for memory in any kind of brain related diseases like Alzheimer's and any memory loss. You can infuse a lot of indigo color. So what we do is during the healings, we infuse different colors in combination to the main color and we activate your chakra and help you to get better soon. Going on to the crown chakra, you can see this is light purple. So light purple is the color of wisdom. So this chakra here, the crown chakra, is responsible for giving you all the divine powers and all the kind of spirituality and connection with God. So purple, light violet color is the divine color and it connects with the God. So these are the colors which are connected with all these chakras. So once you enhance these chakras and infuse these colors by just imagining that you're infusing these colors, believe me, you can experience a lot of good. So when you learn these courses with me or with anybody, you will learn that only by activating your chakras, by cleaning your chakras, by cleaning your aura, by keeping all these 7 crystals on your chakras and activating them, you can do wonders to your life. not only to yours but also to your friends and family. And you don't need to go to the doctors. Believe me, I don't keep medicines in my house. So only by activating my chakras every day, by cleaning my aura, by cleaning my chakras, by activating them, by energizing them, by shielding them, I can get rid of a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, and a lot of diseases, a lot of ill health, so you can treat everybody in your house only by doing certain things like just cleansing your chakras and activating them. And how would you feel if you don't need to visit to the doctor, and secondly, you don't need to keep medicines in your house unless for emergencies? So I would recommend personally, not because I am conducting the courses, but I would recommend you to go for natural things, go for natural healings, because they don't have any side effects. So it's my suggestion that you learn these courses and do good for yourself, do good for the community, do good for every human being. You can even treat your maids, your drivers, and all, and help them, by doing some kind of social service towards the society, and doing good in life, and staying healthy and wealthy, and inviting a lot of good luck into your life. So wish you all the best, and get back to me if in case you are interested in learning these kind of modalities and helping you yourself and the society. Thank you.